Well, here I am at the Maya Shopping Center, and I heard there's a store inside called Big Camera that might have the new DJI Pocket 3. I'm going to go in and find out if I can get one. Okay, here we are in Chiang Mai, Thailand, at a store called Big Camera. I wonder if they have a little camera. Hello, do you have Pocket 3 camera?
Yes, I have Pocket.
Oh, can I have it? Oh, how wonderful. Oh, thank you. Yes, the service is very good here in Thailand. Okay, now we're unwrapping it. And out it comes in its carrying case. And there it is. Well, we have all the accessories are inside, hopefully. There's the handle, the microphone, and the tripod. And here we have the cable, then some connectors. Oh, and this is the microphone. Aha. Okay. Looks like we have everything. And inside this box, we would have the case. Okay. Well, looks like we have everything. Let's see if it works. Okay. We fired it up and it works.
Hello Gypsies, Gipsy Dean here. I've got my new OSMO Pocket 3 camera. I received mine on November 11th. I went down to a camera store here in Chiang Mai, got my name on a list, left a deposit, and luckily 3 days later it showed up. And I was lucky to get on that first run because they said it was going to be 2 or 3 weeks longer for the next one. So anyway, I actually saved about 10% buying it here in Thailand over the US prices. Plus, when I leave at the airport, I get a refund of the sales tax that I paid. And other good news was, I sold my Pocket 2 camera within 12 hours. After I received this camera and got it home, I put an ad on Facebook Marketplace for Chiang Mai, and within 12 hours it was sold. A local Thai man bought it. Oh, that was really good. Moving on out. The Pocket 3 is a big improvement over the Pocket 2. Number one is this larger screen. That was a real pain, that small screen on the Pocket 2. And it's easier to operate. A lot easier. And this time I got the creator combo with the remote control mic. So I can stand away from the camera and do videos just like everyone else. I really regretted not getting the creator combo last time. So anyway, now I'm ready to compete with the other big bloggers around. Well, I haven't made any presentations yet with my camera. I've got a few clips in, but it's because I was working on some older presentations that I've had up on the shelf here, and I'm finishing them up. And when I start over again, I'll be using the new camera, and I will be producing the videos in 4K resolution. Yeah, just up there with the other big bloggers. Well, anyway, this is a short video, and I only have a short amount of time left here in Thailand. My 60 days are almost up, and the Gypsy will be traveling again. Okay, Gypsies, hasta la próxima.